Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video doing an unboxing, review, and first time froth test of the Elementi handheld milk frother, which is in this box right here. This is going to be a milk frother that you can currently get on Amazon for about $14. And so what we'll do in this video is we'll go over the packaging, the general features of the milk frother. We'll show you what it looks like up close. Then I'll walk through frothing some milk with it for the very first time. As always, if you're interested in potentially purchasing this, I'll leave links in the description below. Okay, so this is the Elementi handheld electric milk frother. You can currently get this on Amazon for about $14. It comes in 14 separate color options, so you really can customize this based on your personal preference, but this is going to be the red color. As far as the packaging, it just has some Elementi labeling, shows that it's going to be a milk frother with an actual stand, has some listings of what you can use this for as far as cappuccino, matcha, keto coffee, which I don't know what that is, and then it does discuss how to use it, but it's going to be pretty straightforward. So you basically fill a glass with milk, whisk it halfway, and then basically press and hold it till it froths. Cleaning it, they recommend running the whisk over water and then submerge it in hot water and briefly operate it to clean it up. And then it's going to require two AA batteries as far as use, which basically we'll walk through how to use that. But that's it for the box. Now we'll get this out and show you what the actual frother looks like. And so what you have here is the actual milk frother. And this is what the red color looks like. And so, as you can tell, it's like this darkish red, says Elementi across the front, has a silver button on the top, and then a single whisk on the bottom. Very similar to other milk frothers as far as the design. The handle is kind of like a matte finish, kind of like a silky smooth finish, so it's easy to hold in your hand without any issues. They do have this little insert here, so it says happy frothing, scan the QR code and share your experience as far as reviews, and it provides their email if you have any questions, and then there's a QR code on the back. And then this is the actual stand. And so real quick, I'll just show you how the stand works. Basically, you just put it in the stand like that, and it'll stay in place and keep it upright. So you can put it on your kitchen counter or wherever you need from that standpoint. Now, as far as installation of the batteries, it's pretty straightforward, but basically you just take off the back. They actually have an instruction manual as far as that. But there's going to be two AA batteries with a little prong here. You'll insert the one on the bottom and then reverse the other one, and then that's all you have to do, and then it should start. So it froths, like it works immediately, and when you press the button it turns on, and when you release it, it stops. There is no mechanism to keep this going, so when you do use it, you'll have to just hold it as you use it. So that's really all for the review. Now what I'll do is I'll froth some milk just to get a sense of its performance. Okay, so in this cup we have fresh oat milk, and we'll use this to test out the milk frother. Basically all you have to do is just put the whisk under the fluid and turn it on. And immediately I'll say that this is a very, very strong frother. I didn't put that much milk in there, but basically it's almost filling up the entire container right off the bat, and I've been using this for maybe like 15 seconds. So I'm actually pretty impressed with this. I've tested out several others, including I think like Powerlicks, and then the Zule Kitchen one. And this definitely seems better in the overall quality as far as the power and output based on like the performance. And so we're almost at the top here, but as you can see here, it frothed the milk all the way to the top of this container. It's very, very frothy, and I almost spilled it, but that was very easy without any difficulty. So I'm pretty impressed with this based on my experience of using very, very similar models as far as design, components with this, and so it's pretty impressive from that standpoint. So that's all I really have for this video. So this is the Elementi electric handheld milk frother. You can currently get it on Amazon for only $14, which is a really good affordable price for these. A lot of them are a little bit more expensive, or the ones that are cheaper have a lower power output, but this is definitely a better one as compared to other models that I've tested. So I'll definitely be using it to froth milk when I need more of like a handheld milk frother. But this is a very versatile item that you can use for a wide variety of kitchen applications, so definitely check it out. But thanks for watching and have a great day.